Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their heated eye compression mask. Basically, this is something that you can heat up or keep cold and put on your face at nighttime. My wife uses one of these regularly and loves it. So nothing to show you on the box. Let's open it up, and inside have your mask. Oh, look at this. There's the cold one, so you could freeze this and then slide it into the mask. And then there is, of course, these charge with USB-C type. You get one of those and an included USB-C type cable. And of course, nice little user's manual for your heated eye mask. So this just kind of pops onto here and has the battery to heat it. And then we also have a nice little carrying case for the eye mask. And that's it for the box. So let's take a look at the actual eye mask here. Open it on up. And so nice Velcro in the back here. Put it on your face. And then, like I mentioned, you could freeze this and pop it into here if you're wanting cold, or you've got a little power button here, and this of course just magnetizes right to it and is rechargeable to heat this up for your eyes. So very nice product, very soft. This is super soft. I don't think you'd have an issue wearing this for a long time, and these can be really good for headaches and stuff like that. That will essentially do it for this heated eye mask. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.